Alright, so Disney is at $173.73 with a market cap of 314.54 billion, which is amazing. So Disney has just been knocking it out of the park. They just keep going up and up, and my buy-in point is reaching its end. I believe anything over 170, if I had the money, I would throw it in Disney, but anything below 170, I'm going to keep buying. If I have the money, that's where I'm going to put my money. So, this is good news. So, Disney Plus could be bigger than Netflix in the US by 2022. Disney hit a home run with Disney Plus. It's proven much more popular than anyone anticipated, leading management to raise its subscriber outlook not just for its flagship streaming service, but its entire portfolio of direct-to-consumer products. It now expects to reach as many as 350 million subscribers across its streaming services by 2024. That is an insane number. If they do hit 350 million subscribers, and that's because their star streaming and what they're doing in India, that's why it's so big. So if they hit that, that'll be amazing. That I I could see us at a market cap of 600 to 700 billion by 2024. And that's how I've always felt. I think they're on the verge in 10 years to hit a market cap of $1 trillion. That's my opinion, but if that were the case, that would be massive gains for me. And if you check out my other videos, you'll see how I am all in on Disney. I've invested the most money in Disney because I believe it's an easy way to double my money. Anything above that is just gravy, and now just Disney believes they're just going to hit massive amounts of subscribers. And if you look at Netflix, Netflix is at 190 million, give or take. And Disney's going to annihilate that. So any money I have, anything under 170, I'm going to keep buying. And I'll just keep doing follow-up videos, so please subscribe. And yeah, stay on top of Disney, because they're just knocking it out of the park. Stay on top of them, do some research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.